Travis Pastrana, world-class motocross racer and motorcycle stunt performer. He's known for his amazing acrobatics in the air on top of a motorcycle. But all things are not as they seem for poor Travis Pastrana. Hey, Travis, why aren't you out riding your motorcycle? Yeah, hey, Fred, I don't know. I'm just not feeling it today. Well, gosh darn, Travis, it's such a beautiful day. It's really sad that you're not out there riding and doing your flips like you normally do. Yeah, Fred, I'm just not feeling the flip thing anymore. I don't know what's come over me. I just don't like jumping through the air and doing backflips 3, 4. It gets boring after a while. I hear you, Travis. Well, maybe I could suggest that you take your motorcycle out in the woods. Just ride through the woods like everybody else does. And that way you can enjoy nature and ride your motorcycle. Hell, you might even throw up a tent and do some camping. How's that sound? Wow, that sounds kind of interesting, Fred. I may have to try that. What's my first step? Well, I mean camping gear. You know, stuff that you take camping. You just throw that on the back, and the next thing you know, you're out in the woods having fun. Oh, wow. Show me more about this gear. It's pretty simple, really. All you need is a big bag to throw your stuff in, a bedroll, or a sleeping bag, and some camp crap that you throw in another package. And all you do after this is you throw it all in the back. Oh, I forgot. Wet wipes. Wah, wah, wah. So you throw all this crap in a big bag that you throw on the back of the bike. Oh, don't forget your tent. All right, let's throw this thing on the back and let's get out of here. Well, okay. Now just go out in the woods and have some fun. See you later. Look at him go. Travis Pastrana. He's a dual sport guy now. He's riding his bike on an adventure. He's a dual sport guy now. Nothing can stop him because he has his dual sport. He can go anywhere. Adventures are there. He's just looking for them. He's Travis Pastrana, the dual sport guy. See him go. Oh, hey, Travis. Welcome back. How was your trip? Man, that was the most awesome thing I've ever done. I don't know why I haven't discovered that before. Thanks for hooking me up. Thanks so much for recommending that I get on a dual sport. It changed my life. Yay. Yay.